Today, I want to show you how to export your Google Ads, Facebook Ads data to Amazon S3 and set up a daily pipeline so that your latest data is automatically delivered to your S3 buckets. Let's jump right in. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. AdVisor just introduced our very first data lake destination, and it will be Amazon S3. Today, I want to show you how to export your Google Ads, Facebook Ads data to Amazon S3 and set up a daily pipeline so that your latest data is automatically delivered to your S3 buckets. Let's jump right in. All right, so right now we're back to AdVisor setup page, and let's simply go to set up Amazon S3 pipelines. Okay, and let's create a brand new pipeline named Google Ads Daily. Okay, this means that we want, hey, daily time granularity data exported to our Amazon S3 buckets. And let's simply click next, and let's create a new destination here. The name of the destination, let's set AdVisor demo, and for the bucket, let's create a new one. Okay, S3, and let's simply create a new bucket right here called AdVisor demo. Very good, and simply click create. Okay, very good, and let's go back, and the name of the bucket is AdVisor demo. For the region, I think it's US-East-1, so it looks good already. And for the access key, okay, let's go to our AWS management console, and let's simply just click IAM, okay, and let's create a new security credentials. All right, you can create it right here. It's called access keys, and you create it one right here. Okay, and let's just simply copy paste it. Okay, very good. And for the prefix, it's optional. I'm just going to leave it as blank. If you want, you can also put a prefix right after your bucket name. Okay, so in your Amazon S3, it will be AdVisor demo / path prefix and your workspace name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, all right. For the output, let's do CSV file for this case. You can also choose JSON over CSV. It's complete your freedom. And let's simply test this. It looks like the S3 connection was successful. So let's simply just save it. Okay, very good. And now let's go to next. Let's select a data source. We want to export Google Ads data. And for the accounts, let's select demo account. Okay. You can also select multiple Google Ads account per your likings. You can also select all or select one. Next. And let's type in the metrics that you would like to export from your Google Ads account. And let's just simply select cost, impressions, and clicks. Okay, for the breakdowns, let's do account name, account ID, and account and campaign name. All right, and right now, let's backfill our data by the past 7 days. Okay, you can also schedule a daily refresh. Okay, you can do it here. Okay, you can modify the mode of this pipeline a little bit later. But for now, we'd like to backfill this data to populate our S3 bucket. Okay, so we can also choose a custom data range or last 7 days, last 14 days, etc., etc. Okay. Okay, so let's do last 7 days. And next, I can preview the data. And this is what it looks like. And it looks good to me. So let's simply hit start export. Okay, it looks like the data is good to go. And let's go back to our Amazon console, go to S3. Okay, let's go back to AdVisor demo and the demo workspace, Google Ads. And here we go. These are the data that we just exported from our AdVisor connectors. And you can simply tell, hey, these are the CSV files that we just exported from AdVisor. Okay, let's go back. Let's simply hit the yellow pencil sign and let's click next, next, next. And this time we would like to schedule a daily trigger to our pipeline and tells AdVisor when to push an update to the S3 bucket in our pipeline. You can set it as daily, weekly, or monthly. And you can set it to range from yesterday, last week, or last month. Okay, for the time being, let's just do yesterday, 6 a.m. next. And then let's save the schedule. This is basically telling AdVisor to schedule a refresh to your data every day at your time zone at 6 a.m. to pull yesterday's data to your Amazon S3 destination. Okay, very good. Let's create a new pipeline. That's called Facebook Ads Weekly. Okay. And for the destination, let's select the very same destination that we just created. And for the data source, let's select Facebook ads For the account, let's select demo. For the metrics, let's select spend, link clicks, and impressions. Breakdowns, let's do account ID. And same old, let's run once for now to backfill our data into the buckets. Okay, for the data range here, let's do last month. And for the granularity, let's do weekly, because this is a Facebook ads weekly pipeline. We're going to set our time granularity to weekly. And now let's export our data. But first of all, let's preview our data to see how it looks. Okay, it looks good. And now let's simply click Start Export. Okay. Okay, now let's simply go to AWS S3. And then let's go back to Ads by the demo workspace. And you should be able to see a new folder created here called Facebook Ads. And in this case, you will have all the weekly broken down data exported to this very folder in your Amazon S3 bucket. Okay, now let's go back to our Facebook Ads weekly pipeline to make a slight adjustment to its mode from backfill to schedule mode. Okay, very good. So let's go next. All right, and let's switch from run once to schedule. And let's schedule the frequency to be weekly and the date range to be last week. For the day of the week, let's do every Monday. And for the time being, let's do 6 a.m. again. Next, and then save schedule. This is basically doing a weekly refresh to your weekly performance data from your Facebook ads account. All right, let's simply hit save schedule. So this will wrap up. I hope that this video makes sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Advisor, 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 advisor.